Hey, I'm Alan Brito, I'm an architect, and did you know that Bonsai has a unique material manager that will allow to create something like layered walls? Let me show you how it works. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create layered walls, materials, and styles. So let's begin. If you don't know what is Bonsai and what is this tool that I'll be using here with Blender, it's a free add-on that you can install from the Blender extensions repository. Go to the get extensions, type Bonsai, and you can install it from here. Bonsai will allow you to create, to design your architectural projects using BIM workflows. And to get started here, I will go to the file, new IFC project, and choose new project wizard. And I will select here from the template, IFC demo template, create project, and you can create just a simple wall. Select the wall tool here and choose any of these predefined types, and I will create just a simple wall. Shift A. Remember, when you are using the parametric object from Bonsai, Bonsai will hijack your Shift A shortcut in Blender. So I can create here something like a simple wall, and we can begin. Now, this wall here has only one material, which is undefined right now, and we will add a few layers first. To edit the layers of your wall, you can open this tab here, which is the geometry and materials. And once you select your object, you can scroll down here and you see the object materials, and we have just a single material. You have the material layers. You have an unnamed, unknown material. Hit this pencil key to edit your material layers, and you can see here that we can add more materials. Right now, I don't have one, but we can add the layers first. So if I press this button here, Bonsai will create the first layer. Hit it again, and I can add another layer. You can add more layers if you want, but let's start with 3. You can see here that each one of the layers has right now 0.10 centimeters as the thickness. I can edit this. Let's say I want to use 0.05. Save changes. You will see that Bonsai will update the thickness here. Hit this button again for the lower. You can see the labels here. Let me just edit. Save changes. You will see the labels here. This one is for the interior side. This one is for the exterior side. Now, we have to add some materials because we have the layers. They are here, but it would be nice to add materials and colors. So let's begin by creating materials. If I scroll down here, you will see that we have an option here called first materials and styles. Materials in Bonsai, they work in a very different way to what you are used to do in Blender. In Blender, materials, when you assign material to an object, it will be a visual reference. Here in Bonsai, you will assign a material in the terms of a construction, like for instance, you will assign concrete, wood, and this will be used as a reference for Bonsai to extract data from that object. The visual reference or the textures, the colors will be assigned into styles. So let's create both of them. First, I will hit this button here. I have the IFC material selected, so I will press this button and Bonsai will expand our materials here. If I click on this arrow, you will see that I have just one unknown material assigned to 17 objects. Hit this plus button. Let's create one material called red, and I will create another material called green. And I have my 2 materials right now, both of them with 0 users. So let's go to the styles. I will do the same with styles. Click on this button here to load the IFC surface style. And I have the styles editor. Hit this plus button to create 2 new styles. First one, I will set this as red style. Don't use the same name, you'll get confused later when you have to select things from a list. And I will set this color as red. Save new style, press this plus button again, and I will call this green style. And I will let you guess what is the color that I will pick for this style. Save new style, and you will see here from the list we have green style and we have red style. Now the next step is to assign or to attach or styles to the materials. So let's come here under materials again, and I will select, for instance, this red one first, and instead of clicking on the pencil, you will click here. This will connect your material to the style, this sphere icon here. Click there and you will see a list of your styles here on this drop down, and this will be the red style. Assign style, and I will do the same with the green. You see that we have this icon now identifying that we have a style assigned to this material. Click this button again and assign this with the green style. Assign style, and we are good to go here. But we still can see the colors on our walls. Let's scroll up, and here on the material layers, we can begin editing. For instance, let's go with the first one, which is the exterior. Hit the pencil icon and you will see a material selector. I will select for this one the red material. Hit save changes, and you will see that at first Bonsai will apply the same material for everything, because this is the first material that we are using in this project. Don't panic, we will fix that. Let's click on the middle material here, or the middle layer, and I will set or change this material to green. Save changes, and the exterior wall here, I will repeat the process and select the red material. Save changes. And as you can see, Bonsai just added one material for each one of the layers. Of course, you can go crazy here with styles, colors. I can use one color for each one of the layers. And the good part is now, since we edited or selected this IFC wall, if you want to add more walls, Bonsai will keep the same materials and styles. For instance, if I press Shift A now to keep adding more walls, it will follow the same style. It will keep the materials and the layers that we added to the walls. And this is it. Now you know how to use layered walls, materials, and styles in Bonsai. If you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future tutorials about Bonsai and a lot more related to architecture and open source. And if you want to keep learning more about the same subject, I will leave links in the description for a few additional learning resources. I have these workshops here. I will leave a link with a discount code. This one here, Precise 3D Modeling, I will teach you how to use Blender as a CAD tool. This one where I will teach you how to do 2D drafting in Blender, and if you prefer books, I also have books with their respective translations. Links in the description. You will support my work here in Blender 3D Architect. And by the way, if you are a channel member, a pro channel member, you have free access to those learning resources. So consider to become a member and also support my work here in Blender 3D Architect. Again, I hope you like this tutorial. See you next time. Bye.